23 Augusta Drive Way is why Swan Lake Village was built. A house for downsizers who want one-level living but still want some extra private space for guests. This is a beautifully upgraded home, easy to move into, complete, elegant, turnkey living with tasteful improvements from top to bottom, with ample space for a single or couple and a fabulous finished basement for hosting family and friends. And in Swan Lake, you get the easy condo lifestyle with the benefits of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 1324 square foot wood duck model remains a perennial favorite. As you come up the front walk, there's a private front deck with a natural gas hookup, perfect for barbecuing all year long or a secluded, shady afternoon spot. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with marble flooring, coffered ceiling, pot lights, a solar tube for natural light, and a front hall closet. This leads through to an open concept spacious living and dining room area with hardwood flooring, vaulted ceilings, and a cozy gas fireplace. The dining room is open to the kitchen for seamless entertaining and has a solar tube for additional natural light. The adjoining back solarium or family room has lush green views, hardwood floors, a skylight, wall-to-wall windows with California shutters, and a walkout to the private back deck. The updated eat-in kitchen is a favorite with Swan Lake buyers because it has a walkout to the front deck for great airflow. There's ample upgraded white cabinetry with pull-out shelving, updated countertops and double sink, stylish backsplash with task lighting, pot lights, and additional storage space, including a pantry. The cozy breakfast area has California shutters and a walkout to the front deck. There's also a stacked washer and dryer tucked in the kitchen for easy access. The primary bedroom fits a king-size suite and has large windows with California shutters, a walk-in closet with organizers, and a large renovated ensuite washroom with heated floors, custom vanity with quartz counters and hidden pullouts, and a walk-in shower with heat and rain shower and handheld shower heads. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy and is currently used as a den. This room has hardwood floors, a closet is just outside the door, and it's located close to the second full private updated washroom. The lower level has been beautifully finished to include another 1,300 square feet of living space. The third bedroom has a double closet and a window and is located close to the third full washroom with an updated vanity and a walk-in shower stall. Enjoy movie nights all year long in this large rec room with pot lights. There's also a storage area with an updated furnace, and the central air is updated as well. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise with nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.